Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Ford Fiesta spoiler. First, ensure you have the correct spoiler designed specifically for your Fiesta model. This is crucial for a perfect fit and proper function. Next, gather all the necessary tools, including a drill, masking tape, and a measuring tape. Always review the manufacturer's instructions thoroughly before starting any work. This preparation will save you time and prevent potential errors during installation. Before you begin drilling, it's vital to prepare the mounting surface. Use an automotive-grade cleaner or alcohol wipe to ensure the area is free of dirt and wax. This promotes strong adhesion. Next, apply masking tape around the intended drilling locations. This protects your car's paint from scratches and provides a clear guide for marking. Finally, use the provided template to accurately measure and mark your drilling points. Double-check these measurements for precision. Now it's time for drilling. Using the recommended drill bit size, carefully create pilot holes at each marked location. Drill slowly and steadily to avoid damaging the vehicle's body. After drilling, apply a small bead of automotive-grade silicone sealant around the edge of each hole. This helps prevent water ingress and corrosion. Then, gently place the spoiler onto the mounting surface, aligning its posts with the newly drilled holes. With the spoiler in place, it's time to secure it. From inside the trunk or tailgate, attach the provided bolts, washers, and nuts to each mounting post. Tighten all fasteners evenly, but do not over-tighten, as this could damage the spoiler or the vehicle. Once all bolts are snug, perform a thorough visual inspection. Ensure the spoiler is perfectly aligned, sits flush, and feels completely secure. This final check guarantees a professional and lasting installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.